Hello, my dear friends. Let's understand the difference between until and as long as. Okay, we usually use until and as long as for a different meaning, but they can also be used for similar meaning. For example, you can sleep until the train comes, and we can also express the same meaning with as in you can sleep as long as the train doesn't come. Here both mean the same. As long as plus not can be used to replace until in the sentence. Okay, here the train will come, it is certain that the train will come, so in this case we can use both until and as long as plus not for the same meaning. But when something is not certain to happen, okay, there as long as plus not should be used. For example, you are safe until you go against the boss, and you are safe as long as you do not go against the boss. Here as long as do not go against the boss, this sentence is correct, more correct than the sentence you are safe until you go against the boss, because here it's not certain whether you're going to go against the boss or not. So when something is certain to happen, we can use until and as long as plus not for the same meaning, and if something is not certain to happen, we should prefer to use as long as plus not. Okay, not until. And if you think the video is of any help to you, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.